Welcome to Cyber Cash Money. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. If you are new, well, on this platform, I share with you opportunities that you can apply and work remotely. So today's video, we are going to be answering what are remote jobs and how do they work. So remote jobs refer to employment opportunities that allow individuals to work from a location outside of their traditional office environment. Instead of commuting to a physical workspace, remote workers have the flexibility to perform their tasks and responsibilities from their own homes, co-working spaces, or any location with internet access. So the specific dynamics of remote work can vary depending on the company and nature of the job. In general, remote work use various communication and collaboration tools to connect with their colleagues and employees virtually. These tools may include email, video, that's video conferencing, project management software, instant messaging apps, and cloud-based document sharing systems. Remote jobs often require individuals to have a reliable internet connection and a dedicated workspace. This workspace should be conducive to productivity and free of distractions. Remote workers are responsible for managing their time, staying focused on their tasks, and also meeting deadlines without direct supervision. So remote work agreements may be structured in different ways. Some remote jobs offer full-time positions, while others provide part-time or freelance opportunities. These are also, or rather, there are also variations in terms of remote work schedules, with some roles requiring specific hours of availability and others offering flexible working hours. Overall, remote jobs provide individuals with freedom to work from anywhere, eliminate the need for daily commute, and offer increased flexibility in managing their work-life balance. So there you have it, guys. That's the brief definition of remote work. If you find this piece of information valuable, please do hit that like button, or else also share this content with family and friends. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now.